Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is Ramod Rashnikant. Welcome to my YouTube channel Raja BTech. I'm a BTech engineering graduate. So in this today video, we are going to understand about the digital marketing. So what exactly digital marketing? What are the types of digital marketing? What are the tools in digital marketing that we can use in our daily life? So first is first, when it's come to the digital marketing, so digital marketing is nothing but it is a platform where you can use a digital platform like websites and social media, sell your product or service through the online by using the digital medias like social media, Facebook and like websites. All these are there, no? By using them, you are selling your product or doing the service. You are providing the service is known as a digital marketing. So unlike with the traditional marketing, we used to do with the like a pamphlets, just bannering and all those things we used to do. But nowadays, a trend of digital marketing has came. Everybody start using the mobile and the social media, and lots of body is spending their time entirely. You don't know, but most of the people around the age of 18 to 24 years are used to spending their time at least 8 hours in only social media. You guys can understand that if you are a business owner, if you want to target the 18 years of the uh, 18 years age people, so if you go to the village and just random places, you won't be able to get attracted like to target those audience. Where you can target those audience, where they are available in a loads of social media. So there you can easily target. So that is how you can improve the growth of your business. So that is called digital marketing exactly. So then when it's come to the digital marketing products, so there is a search engine optimization is there, advertising is there, social media handling is there, as well as email marketing is also there, influencer marketing is also there, and paid ads like and organic marketing also is there. So like these are the things are there. So and mobile marketing is also is there. So with about them, we will going to just give you the like what are the brief explanation of the search engine optimization. So when it's come to the search engine optimization, it's very simple. SEO. We can the short form of the search engine optimization is SEO, search engine optimization. So when you are going to the particular website and if you are searching for like protein powder, so instant results will going to be appear on the top of the list. So the how it is happening, because whatever the words you are searching and it is matching the content in the website with your keyword, so related keywords are matching, so that's why the particular website will going to display on the top of the list. We will going to understand the theory part, but when we are moving to the practical part, we are going to see the detail about the SEO and each of the digital marketing products. So that's it. Only I give you the brief overview of just SEO, how SEO. So in SEO also there are the different types of SEOs are there. So this is about the brief, only general idea of the SEO. And when it's come to the advertisement, so mostly people will go with the organic results, like organic targeting. So they will go. So, but when it's come to the persons like who is running a business, they want a short period of they want to achieve their goals in a short period of time. So, what he will going to do? Definitely, he will going to go with the ads, paid ads. So, paid ad can be done in two platforms. One is you can do anyway based on your customers, based on your audience, where you here we won't call customer, here we can call audience, where you will going to find your audience. So by using the platform of like Google and Facebook, we are giving the paid ads, so that will our ads will going to be displayed in front of the targeted audience. So this is called advertising. And content marketing. So content marketing is very simple as it. Content marketing is nothing but you are just uploading the videos in YouTube and just doing the business related videos and uploading the blogs and uploading the lots of blogs in your website. So why we use the content marketing? For the long term, if you want to achieve the long term goals, if you have a big business, you want to achieve the long term goal, so then we will go with the content marketing. So in content marketing also you can like videos are there, images are there, and just only blogs are there. That's when it's come to the content marketing part of the video, we will going to go to brief and in depth. In this only we will going to understand the basics of the digital marketing. And affiliate marketing, next thing is affiliate marketing. So what exactly affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is as simple as that. There is a one particular product is there, like if you take the Amazon affiliate marketing, how it will be. Affiliate marketing is very simple. If you are suggesting another person product to buy it to the other person, so you are referring this product to that particular person. So what will happen? You will going to get a certain percentage of the commission from the product price. So this is called affiliate marketing. Very simple. There is a Amazon, like Amazon is a e-commerce website. So if you have an Amazon affiliate marketing, and if you refer the particular product with your referral link to your friends, and if your friend is purchased that product, you will going to get a certain amount of commission. So this is called affiliate marketing. So mobile marketing. So mobile marketing is nothing but running the ads in mobile, like apps, those kind of app marketing, and running the ads on the only mobile is called mobile marketing. So that's it. And as well we have influencer marketing. So influencer marketing is nothing but nowadays it's a very trending topic in marketing area, in digital marketing. There are a bunch of influencer are there. They have hold around like 1 million followers, 2 million followers, even there are 100k followers. People like having this kind of the followers or subscribe in YouTube. So we go to them and tell them that we have this kind of the product. If you refer this product in your platform, in your channel, or in your community where he is going to do the videos, and if he refer our products, so based on that, how much revenue we have generated, how much lead we are generating, we are going to pay certain amount of money so to that influencer without going directly with the ad. So if you want to target the local customers and such specific kind of the audience related to your niche or product or service, we can go to the particular influencer and explain them, just refer to our product. So this is how the influencer marketing will going to be work. In further videos, we are going to learn in a practical way of digital marketing. So with that, I'm just ending this video. So thanks for watching my video.